In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add one Airtable field in Softr. By the end, you'll take a brand new column from Airtable and display it in your Softr app, cleanly and reliably. You'll just need access to your Airtable base and the Softr app connected to it. First, make sure the field actually exists in Airtable. Open the base and the exact table your Softr app is using. On the far right of your columns, click the plus icon to add a new field. Give it a clear, descriptive name so you'll recognize it later. Choose the correct field type for the data you want to show: text for short labels, long text for multi-line descriptions, number for counts and prices, date for timestamps, and attachment if you'll display images or files. Picking the right type now keeps formatting simple in Softr. Also confirm that this field is visible in the same view your Softr connection uses. If the field is hidden or not part of that view, Softr won't pick it up. Next, refresh your Airtable connection in Softr so the new column becomes available. In Softr Studio, head to Data Sources and select Airtable. Click to refresh the connection and re-authenticate if you're prompted. Softr caches the schema, so this step is what pulls in your latest fields. If the new field doesn't appear right away, double-check that you're pointing to the correct base, table, and view, then try syncing again. Give it a moment after refreshing, and save before leaving the page to make sure the update sticks. Now map the field in the block where you want it to appear. In the Softr editor, select the block that displays your Airtable data. This could be a list, a table, or a details block. Open the block settings and go to the Content tab. You'll see your currently mapped fields. Click Add Field. Choose the Softr field type that matches your data, such as text, number, or date, so formatting and sorting work as expected. Then, open the Mapping drop-down and select the Airtable field you just created. That links your Airtable column to the element in the block. Take a moment to fine-tune the display. You can rename the label shown to users, adjust the order of fields, and apply formatting, like currency or decimal places for numbers, or a readable date format. Preview the page to verify that the right values appear on real records. If something looks off, confirm the field's type in Airtable and that the correct view is connected in Softr. When everything looks good, publish your changes to make them live. And that's all it takes to add a single Airtable field in Softr. Create it, refresh the connection, and map it where you need it.